grilled chicken spiced with lemongrass and garlic flavors, drizzled with a sweet, tangy dressing. This is my Vietnamese lemongrass chicken rice bowl. Wow, so this one couldn't be any more simple, and yet the flavor, so much flavor. I love that. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Let's get started on the flavor part first, and that is our marinade. So of course I want some lemongrass because it's lemongrass grilled chicken, and you just want to give these guys a good bruising with your knife. Cut the ends off, and then just take the outer parts of that lemongrass off. I find it's really tough, doesn't tend to break down, so take those off. You know what's really good to do with these actually is put them in the freezer, and next time you're making like Thai tom yum soup or another kind of soup where you're just infusing with the lemongrass, you can use those bits because you're not going to eat them, of course. Okay, so we just want a really fine slice on these. And pop that straight onto your chicken. Now I'm using chicken thighs. I am a thigh and legs girl when it comes to chicken, but chicken breast is fine here as well, whatever you would prefer. Now I also want some garlic. And then here come all the big flavors. Fish sauce, just a little dash of sugar. That's going to help with the caramelization as well as kind of balancing out that salty fish sauce flavor. And then pepper. This is another big flavor that I want to really shine through here. So I'm going to add quite a bit of that. Now just give that a mix. And you know what I love about this Vietnamese style marinade is because the flavors are so large, it doesn't really require very much time. So I just tend to give it a mix, and then we literally get straight onto the grill. This is a wonderful thing to do outside on the barbecue, or just an indoor grill like I've got, or even just a frying pan. Either way is good. Now once your grill plate's nice and hot, mine has already got a little slick of oil on there, so if you're doing this in a frying pan, make sure you add just a little bit of oil. Sizzle, exactly what we want. Now I like to let these guys go for about 5 minutes or so on this first side. I'll keep moving them around a little until I get a really beautiful color. Time to flip these guys over. I love that beautiful color. Look how juicy those thighs look, and I'm telling you this, they smell amazing. That lemongrass and garlic is, ooh, really packs a punch. All right, so these guys are looking pretty much done. What I like to do with thighs is just kind of leave them on the grill or in the pan for a little while, turn the heat off and just let them sit and cook through. Because they're thighs, they won't dry out. See, that's the other advantage. So in the meantime, let's get all of our other little bits and pieces done. I'm gonna make a little drizzling sauce, a Vietnamese nuoc cham. So I'm gonna start off with some fish sauce, some vinegar, some sugar. We want some red chili here. This is not a spicy chili, it's mainly for some beautiful color, and some garlic. Now for the tangy element here, we want some lime. Give that a mix. I often make more of this little drizzling sauce than I need to because it keeps really well in the fridge for a few days, and it's a great dipping sauce, salad dressing. It's great drizzled on just some rice noodles, a little bit of grilled pork. It's pretty great. Now I want some cucumber here as well. And let's take a look at our chicken, shall we? Oh, I can't even tell you how amazing this smells, guys. Now just pop this onto a bowl of some rice. If you want your cucumber nestled in there, drizzle over some of that dressing. And then just a few little sprigs of coriander. That's my preference, but obviously if you don't like coriander, you could use another type of Asian herb. Thai basil works really well here too. And there you go, a Vietnamese style lemongrass chicken rice bowl that's so easy to put together. And see how well we've gone. You know, The simplest things sometimes bring the most joy. I mean, that combination of the grilled garlic and the lemongrass, and then that fresh pop of the chili and the garlic and the tangy dressing at the end. I mean, wow, totally blows you away. Ah, love it. Crunchy cucumber. All of it, so good. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.